Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to delete a record from a table. So first of all, make sure that you have installed MySQL in your computer system, and also make sure that you have created a database and a table and inserted some record in that table. So let's open MySQL and learn how to delete a record from a table. So open MySQL first of all. Okay, type root as password. Now we will use an existing database, an existing table to delete a record from that table. So we will use db5. This is our database. It will make db5 as active database. Now we will use student table for performing deletion of record. So we will use student table. So let's find out all the records of student table. Select star from student. Fine. Now these are the records of student table. Now suppose we want to delete all those records whose address is Kolkata. So we will write the following command to delete all the students records whose address is Kolkata. So we have to write delete from table name, that is student, press enter, then where clause, where student address equals to what? Kolkata. Fine. Now terminate with semicolon. Now in this command, first of all we have written delete from student. Now delete specifies that we are going to delete record. From specifies that we are going to delete record from student table, and where clause specify the criteria where student address equals to Kolkata. That means we are going to delete all those records whose address is Kolkata. So press enter. Now here you can see query is okay, 3 rows affected. That means it has deleted 3 records. Let's check it whether the records has been deleted or not. So select star from student. You can see 3 records have been deleted. Earlier 6 records have been there. Now only 3 records are left. Now suppose you want to delete all the records from this table. So if you want to delete all the records from this table, you have to write this command, delete from student. You can see query is okay, 3 rows affected. Let's check whether all the records have been deleted or not using select command. Select star from student. See empty set, that means this table does not contain any record. So in this video we have learned how to delete a specific record from a table, as well as we have also learned how to delete all the records from a table. In the next video we will learn how to add a new column to existing table using alter add command. Friends, if you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and visit our website cstutorial.co.in for programming tutorials. Thank you friends.